What up everybody, it's your boy Young Fizz and welcome back to another tutorial. We are back inside a machine and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to pitch shift, time stretch and all that good stuff. Just keeping your samples and loops in time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. It's going to be a rather short one today and straight to the point. So let's go ahead and show you guys that the session here is in 83 BPMs. Alright, so let's go ahead and play it. So that just shows you guys that it's in time. So say for example, you know what, it's too slow. I want to speed up the tempo without changing the pitch. So that's very simple to do. All you have to do is, first of all, you want to change your session tempo. So let's say you want 140, right? But if you play it, it gets left behind. So what you want to do is make sure this is all selected here. So you can double click is how you select it. And then you want to go to stretch. And then, so you want to change the tempo, but you don't want to change the pitch. So you got your source BPMs is 83. Your new BPM is 140. Your length is 4 bars. I know this is 4 bars because that's how I recorded the original loop with the source BPM of 83 beats per minute. All right, so we're not going to do anything else. And then we're just going to simply click apply. So now, when we play back the session with the metronome, it's going to be at 140 BPMs. So that is the loop. All right, so let's go ahead and just undo that. And we're going to undo again until it's all the way back to 83. So we're back here again, right? So say for example, you change your mind again and you say, you know what, I actually like the tempo, but I just don't like the pitch. And so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to pitch shift. Now, the mistake a lot of people make is they want to go here and they see this big old word that says pitch and they want to change the tune. They want to say, oh, I just want to move it up 2 semitones. But let's listen to what happens when we do that. It's out of time. So in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and put this back to 0 real quick and reset it back to normal. And so to do that, we want to use the same method. So we want to go ahead and stretch it, but we're going to be stretching to the same tempo. So basically we're not going to be, messing with the tempo. It's going to be the same. So again, we want to double click to make sure this is selected here if it's not already selected. We're going to go to stretch. And then we're going to go ahead and change the tune here. So say for example, I want to pitch it up like 4 semitones, right? So your source is at 83, your new BPM is at 83. It's a 4-bar loop. We're not messing with the tempo, we're just messing with the pitch. So that's why we're adjusting the tune, and then we're simply gonna click apply. Now let's play it. So that is how you adjust the pitch without changing the tempo and vice versa, adjusting the tempo without changing the pitch. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did like it, please click that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them down in the comment section below. And we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status.